Welcome to the next episode of our live coding sessions. This time we want to create push notifications. Push notifications are like browser notifications or like desktop notifications, but that will also show up even if you're not currently on the website. So it's really a push. So it's also working on your mobile phone. Like if I go to if I enable the notification, enable the notifications, I can find out whether I'm attacked or not. So I get a notification on my mobile phone and I can react to an attack, or like if an auction has taken a special move. So this is the library. We have to activate push notifications. Source notification.fob. We have to activate push notifications. We have to create a push notification type action. And let's look for, and we have to say we don't want guests to have push notifications. Okay, type action. We define a notification type, like let's say attack, which will call namespace class action tables attack view. Okay, now we have a notification function available. So let's take a look through the code. Okay, so fob notifications and type. So fob notifications attack. We can call this function and then say subs. And subs is a list of subscriptions, and we have to get somehow our subscriptions that belong to some users. So push notifications, work on push bum 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 bum, which is the subscription action, bum ba 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 ba, get subscriptions. Okay, fob push get subscriptions. Fob push get subscriptions of a user list. Okay, so if we have an attack now, attack, no, if we have a guy who is being attacked, okay, if we have the bidding, where is our bidding system? Dislocated in attack, in battle location, imprint, main notification. Let's take a look at our git log. It's in source auction. Okay. The guy who got gets the refund. Funded user is and now let's ask for FOB database query. Select select user.id select hired by from attack soldier. So who is hired by the attack who has hired the attack soldier, where attack soldier.id is $ID. Fetch column. If we funded user, then we will send a push notification, which is exactly the code I wrote here. FOB notification attack. And then our subscriptions, and now we have to see what are the other parameters. So yes, class static method, type and subs. Action notification, title, blah blah blah, options, body and icon, software logo, blah 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 blah, get base URL. And is there a chance to set a message? Yes, we have some body PHP. Push notification type. And if we have a okay, I understand. Push notification type, and then we say our body PHP function. I think that's it. So push notification type, and attack will have the following body. Well, it's basically an attack soldier, but I don't know. Attack. It's really complicated in the moment. You have been overbidden. You have been overbidden. Is it correct? Überboten. You were outbid. Outbid. Okay. You were outbid. And now an action. Type action will add a parameter to a notification. like the ID, but I don't know the right order. Okay. At first, I think at first they will add the user list and then they will add the ID. So I have to say my attack ID is this one. Like I have also fetch the attack. Okay. Attack soldier is fetch PDO fetch ASOC, and then if attack soldier and attack soldier hired by, then I can say attack soldier hired by is the user who will receive the notification, and now attack soldier attack will be the attack ID that we are referring to. Little bit complicated, but let's see. Outlib fob notifications. There we have a notification type text. Now let's rebuild the whole thing. Now we have also an attack, and there we have the first parameter, which is the subscription list, and the ID, which is the ID. Okay. It will, in the body, it will show you where out bit, and then enter the enter the URL. The logo will be okay. A little bit. Grab logo. We don't have a logo yet, but yes, next time we will have some. Okay. Let's see if it works. It must somehow ask me for notifications. Well, the user must be asked whether he wants to register notifications. So, what did we do in the other project where it's already been implemented? Register subscription action. This is our registered code. Then there should be a small add event listener. Okay, this is our service worker. cd out bash build. Okay. Well, service worker has been registered. This all works. There's a bug in our tour code. to a chapter. Okay. To a chapter. Okay. Well, we don't have to fix it now. Okay. The service worker has been registered, but why are we not asked to register our service worker has been registered. Now in the second screen we want to register as FIB. Here we are. And now we have under attack. I'm under attack. And there I can bid for this soldier. Oh, and we have an error now. Let's take a look. Syntax error. In line 794 of attack soldier. Push. Okay, there must be a double colon. Let's also fix it in the project. Here we are. Still an error. Let's take a look at the error log again. Base table not found, push subscriptions. Okay, so we have to do a DB check. Push notifications, web keys have not been created. Okay. Out conf.json. Chmod it, so we can now deploy our web ID keys. Yes. And now, still I'm not asked for. Any. So again, error log. No new error. So we somehow have to be able to click on this bid button now. Okay. And now my attacks. Okay. I'm fighting against attacked user of FIB. This must be attack 34. Attack 34. Okay. So now we're already allowed push notifications, but we don't have any I think we don't have any push notifications registered, but let's take a look. Var Tycoon for push subscriptions, empty. But there's some code here in notifications that looks like into session storage. Local storage. Yes, local storage for subscription content encoding. Local for subscription endpoint, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. We should add something here because local storage is for subscription. Updating FOB subscription. Okay. We also have to check whether this subscription is also stored in the on the server side. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. Okay. Push manager supported content encodings. Let's take a look at the local storage. Local storage. Okay, it's really fat. FOB subscription auth token. Okay, we have all data deployed. So, but this is from another project, so the software somehow has to find out whether the subscription is from this project or not. For some reason, this code does not fire. So, push notifications are not supported by this browser. Blah 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 blah. Registration. Let subscription. Service worker push registered code. Where does it print this piece of code? That somehow is deployed in the service worker. Okay, so we have out.js, service worker setup, and then we have our service. Okay, this is our service worker setup. Yes, service worker has been registered. Check notification permissions, blah blah blah, let public key allowed, blah blah blah, let subscription is await registration at push manager.subscribe, user visibility, user visible only, bam 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 bam, get key. Here I am. This code doesn't even get executed. So error in push notification. Okay. A subscription with a different application already exists. Okay. let's Google this error message. In this case, it should not. Service workers are not supported by this browsers. With this browser, let's enter fib with Google Chrome. Okay. Close Firefox. Open Chrome. Yes, now I'm asked for Benachrichtigung zulassen. Okay. Login. Username fib. Password fib. I'm logged in. Okay. Now I enabled settings, but these are not connected with fib for some reason. I guess because they were not. I have not been logged in, but it somehow worked. Okay, so let's bid for the soldier. And now, War Tycoon, you were outbid. Now I click on it. Okay, and that I have the notification. And if I click bidding here, yes, you were outbid. That's cool. That's really, really cool. Let's do the same for attacks. Yes, a type action attack bid and a action attack. You are under attack. Are under attack. And you were outbid. Okay. Of course, we have to not change attack to attack bid. When an attack is being created, we will have to do the notification, like email notify. Let's take a look if we have it in attack result. Yes, notify victim. Yes, this is our victim. And now we can say for notifications attack and get subscriptions hired and not our user but our $victim. Victim. And now we have to get the attack ID, which should be $ID. Yes, because we are in the attack. So this is our email notification, and this is our push notification if we are under attack. And in the notifications also, let's say I have an attack result. So make it capital B, it looks better. Attack result. An attack has been decided. Okay. In attack result, just grab for notify, and there we have, yes. Now after each notify we can also add our push notification. So fob notification, attack result, get subscriptions, owner, and our attack ID. Now attack result for the victim also. Same for loose action. Owner and victim. Okay, and our cancel action, of course, two. Once with the owner and once with the victim. Okay. Any other? No. Okay. Now we should have all notifications for all kind of events. Let's just make it fast. Now, if we have countries, yes, regions that are owned by FIB, let's attack them. Attack this country, create. Zack, you are under attack. Okay, great. So we can say git status, git diff. We have fix 20. Yes, great. Push notifications. Chrome, push notifications. We have a problem, the link is not clickable. We will fix this now. So service worker setup, service worker for push fob. Okay, this is our original fob file. This is our service worker setup. Our code will somehow show a notification. So where does it place the notification? Push notifications to a web app. Okay, we registered a service worker. push button.text content, blah, 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 navigator.service worker. Get application server keys, yes, for sending the message out. Is subscribed, is not subscribed, push button, so on. Subscription registry, this is all what we did. Subscribe. Then update subscription on server. No, it's still not the thing. Say yes. Handle permission denied. Handle push event. Okay, here we are. Show notification. Okay. Payload.title and payload.options. Okay. Show notification, okay, options, and there we have options. Actions. An array of actions to display. A DOM string identifying a user action to be displayed. Okay, it should be an object literal. It may contain the following values. Action, title, icon. Badge and body. So, options. We only send the body in the moment. Okay, it's on PHP side. So, outlib notifications, yes. Here we are. Attack bit. I bit back. Now if I get bit again, I can add here action. And now let's take a look what we have to insert here. Actions will be an array of actions to display. Appropriate responses are built using the event.action with the notification click event. Okay, so strong identifying. Okay. Action is view. And title is view. Notification. So if I get overbid now, for watching number 34. Okay. Now we have, okay, now view notification. Okay, I got it showing up. Now we have to deploy our notification events. Okay, you can use the notification click event in an add event listener method. service worker global scope. Event.notification. Okay. There's something, some hints how to use on notification click. Data, dear, icon, image, re-notify, require, and so on. Okay, actions are not supported by Firefox, nor Internet Explorer, nor Safari. Browser push notifications, add link, URL. Let's see if it is if we can pass HTML with our body. Body should be, no, it's not HTML. Open custom URL when clicking on a web push notification. Okay. That's good code. That's good code. So we can add like data, and data will say URL is our URL, and in the service worker itself we have to handle the data somehow. How do we add the event listener for push? Scribe. Don't understand. Out.js service worker. Out service worker. Okay, there we have our add event listener, and there we can add the event listener for notification click. Event notification close, wait until clients.open window, event.data.url. Okay, see if it does the trick. So we have to refresh here. Host. Okay. Refresh. And overbid. And if I click on it, okay. Clients.open window. Is client somehow defined? Accept the custom keys. Clients it's access here within the service worker. Clients.open window. Yes, opens a window. Blah, 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 blah. URL, then window client, and so on. Event.wait until, open window, event.data.url. And we have data here and options for an attack bit. Now it opened. Okay, no, it does not really open. Okay, if I surf on another site. And okay. That was dump. Okay, I have to bid again to somehow get the soldiers. Now let's overbid them. You were outbid. Click on it. Nothing happened. Let's see if there's a problem in the console. Promise DOM exception, failed to execute, wait until on extendable event. The event end is already finished and not extended lifetime. Okay, push message, action bar, data URL. Okay, it correctly came there. Post message. There's too much console logging. Okay, at first, let's apply what we learned already. So, in push, we should also add a data object. So data, and then we will have like if push notification action is set, then we will have a property URL pointing to this one. Okay, pointing to this one. Delimiter, no delimiters needed. Yes. Instead, add the once identifier. No. delimiter and so on, square. Here it is closed. Close the square bracket, and there we have our data object. Next thing is add event listener push. Now it didn't really work very well to call like uncaught in promise, DOM exception failed to execute, wait until. So this is a problem with our code in our service worker. Self add event listener notification click. Closing the notification somehow works, and wait until this function gets something that already is finished and not extended lifetime, and no extended lifetime promises are outstanding. Okay. Why do we have to wait until? Okay. Let's just Google this again. Notification, click, open window. Service worker clients. On notification, click is function, event, open window, event.data.url. Clients match all. Don't know. Can we use alert in service worker? Use alert in service worker. Let's try console.log. Okay. Console.log NCE event. NCE stands for notification click event. Okay, refresh. Service worker has been registered. Okay. Bid for a soldier. Click on it. And there we still have this problem. The event handler's already finished and extended. Failed to execute, wait until. It already crashes in show notification. That's weird. Oh, it's not refreshed. Let's copy the code we wanted to add just manually. Copy. And save. Okay. Now let's get our soldiers back. And now let's do a bid. We click on it. And now the console should have something like... No, it doesn't have. I don't know. Oh, a client gets also the message posted. That's weird, but it's not my code. Yes, these are our clients. Yes, yes, a push notification is sent to all clients. Now in the notification, now let's just remove this part of the code that will like run into errors. And now restart. How to restart? How to restart service worker Chrome. It must somehow threads service worker. Okay. Can we somehow stop this service worker? Chrome. Why? Let's clear all the cache. It's not a pretty task. It's like annoying. Okay, let's bid back. Click on it, it doesn't focus. Because it didn't reload. Chrome, how to reload service worker. Where is this menu? No. No. Where did they click? Application. Application. Service workers. Okay. Update on reload. Thank you. Thank you for nothing. Chrome has the most frustrating caches for developers anyhow. Cannot read property URL of undefined. This is great! At least my code is now being read. So, options data URL. Event dot options dot data dot URL. Okay. Click. Cannot read property data of undefined. Application service workers. Source service worker. It crashed here. Let's remove this await call. And console.log NCE. Did this show up? NCE, yes. Notification event. There we have it. Notification event dot notification dot data. So it is dot notification dot data. Event dot notification dot data dot URL. I hate you. Copy this and edit there. I hate you. These are all spaces. Ah. Okay. If event dot notification dot data dot URL, then and so on. Okay. Refresh. And notify. Click there. And now we opened our attack. Great, great, great. Why is it loading that long? Okay, here we are. Let's bit back. Okay, you were outbid. Here we are. Let's bit back. And here we are again. And now the fight will take place this way because we don't have any money left. Okay, so Here is everything fine. Here we have some white spaces. Vim, I hate white spaces in Vim. Fix notifications. If you click on them, open URL. Okay. Okay. We have to build it once again to see if everything is correct now. Okay. Now, let's attack fib a little bit. What else is under fib's control? My eyebrow. Attack his country. Internal error. I hate you. Syntax error, unexpected action in attack. Notifications 41. Data URL. Okay, I forgot a single quote. Things that can happen. Okay, again. Another arrow. Unexpected action in line 61. Okay, it's repeating. There we have. Okay, you are under attack. I click on it and there it shows up the new attack. Okay. Now, you have been overbid. Okay, it works, it works, it works. Everything is committed. Everything works. Okay, so we have notifications now. What's next? Next time we should, I'm still not sure if we should do the do not take over last soldier, because it somehow is a charmant way that an attacker spends money on just buying all the soldiers, and the soldiers don't have to fight, they just take the money and take the money and shut up. So you can win the fight just by spending money. On the other hand, it would be cool if there is always a fight. The problem with so if so Fib is my enemy hired Fib and I hired Carly. So the problem is now I hired Fib and Carly is hired by the enemy. Should I now disable hiring Carly too? So if I hire both, I would win the complete battle just by putting money into it. The defender cannot defend himself if he does not react. Should I allow this, or should I always have it like you have to leave at least one soldier to your enemy? This would kind of interlock your soldier list if there are only 2 soldiers in a battle. So, kind of tricky question. Then we want to have some referral links also in the software. So if you want to fight if you want to invite your friends, you should do this and get some money for it. Then we have to have battle updates from the organizer of a battle event. We have to have a battle fee. And then I also got another idea what is still missing. If defense is... Yes, revolutions must cost money. Revolutions must cost money to the country owner. An idea is to just let revolutions cost half of the money you own. So you will always have to invest half of your money to do the revolution, and then you can invest the other half into buying soldiers. So you really never ever do a revolution if you don't have to. And then also soldiers will get money in lose or win action. Okay, I think that's it for today. See you next time.